well.
Come this way, Mom. Let me be moving so that don't push my power. Slap us now. Slap us now. Why are you cutting me out?
Okay, there.
I will.
Let's go.
Okay, are you guys ready, please? So we just want to know exactly what transpired today and the reason why all the parties decided to come together to choose a case for determination.
Yes, it's in the interest of expeditious hearing of the petitions that counsel with the petitioners, counsel to the petitioners, counsel to the respondents, all agreed that instead of having this matter adjourned to tomorrow, Friday, come back adjourned, the best thing is for us to file all the motions, all the applications, serve parties, and then come back Wednesday next week, the 17th, and have it adopted or argued. That way, we will save time and ensure that expeditious hearing of the petition and for the pre-trial to continue. But there is an application we filed yesterday. I believe it will be of immense interest to you, gentlemen of the press. We are asking that the Honorable Court should allow live streaming and broadcasting of the proceedings of the court from day to day, whenever the court is sitting. Because it was something introduced by the colonial masters, but they have moved on, and we are still in the ancient age. So we feel that we should depart from that and adopt modernity, because some African countries are now live streaming their proceedings. I don't see why Nigeria shouldn't. So that was why we filed this application, so that it won't be just a matter of you hanging out here. You can come in if the court allows it, if the court grants it. And if some of you, as much as the court can accommodate, will come in with your cameras and be filming the proceedings in real time. After all, the court is a public place. Members of the public have a right to be in court, subject to space. But since the space is small, can't accommodate perhaps more than 200 or so, or less than 200, apart from the what is there at the foyer or lobby. It's just not enough in our view, and that is part of democracy. That is part of constitutionalism. So that's it.
Thank you very much, sir.
So after that, you people will if the application is granted, you will thank us.
And pay us. And pay us. Yes.